Hello from AlphaCars of Motorcycles. We are here in our Boxborough location with a stunning 2015 Audi A8 L Quattro 4.0. This is a beautiful car, Audi's premium luxury sedan, and this is exactly the kind that you want to get the mileage on it. Less than 48,000 miles, fantastic ownership history, personal lease vehicle, then a personal owned car, all in Florida before it was brought up to Massachusetts. It has not spent any time on winter roads in New England. It wears all of its original paint, beautiful floret silver, has the 20-inch wheel package and lots of other packages. We'll get into detail with those, but the premium package, luxury package, and Audi driver assist package. The wheels all the way around have 90% of tread life on them, as well as the brakes, which have 90% of brake life on them as well. As you can see, everything looks great. There are a couple of just very small touch-ups here on the front wheel. And then the only blemish of any consequence is here on the A-pillar. We have a slight indentation here. Normally that would be removed, but as it is a structural part of the body, it cannot be. Barely noticeable and does not detract from the beauty of this car. Let's take a look inside because a lot of the beauty is there. Gorgeous door panels, as you can see. The leather's in great shape. That's Alcantara there between the armrest and the upper wood panel. Memory function there, of course, for the passenger seat. These are 22-way seats with ventilation and massage. Diamond cross-stitched leather, beautiful. And the ingot silver. The wood is in fantastic shape, as is all the aluminum trim. This car also has an Alcantara headliner surrounding the panoramic sunroof. Great shape. And let's take a look in the back, because that's where this A8L really shines. Look at all this space. Again, door panels look fantastic. All of the leather's in great shape. We're not seeing any stains on the carpeting, on the leather. Again, beautiful. Those dual paned windows and sitting back here with the panoramic roof, it's light, it's airy, it's beautiful, and it's very serene and quiet. Great job, Audi. Again, taking a look at the rear wheel, free of any major blemishes. Chrome looks good. There's a couple of very light scratch marks there. Again, nothing of consequence. Coming around to the back, oh, it's just beautiful. Classic Audi clean, crisp design. Bumper cover is in fantastic shape. We, of course, see the sensors for the rear parking sensors that are back there. Nothing of any consequence back here. The tail lights are clean and clear, and the chrome is beautiful and bright. So we take a look in the power trunk. Huge accommodations back here. Everything is beautiful. You can see the condition of the carpets is just fantastic. There's no stains or funny odors, just the way you'd like it. Coming over here to the driver's side, just what a beautiful view, that three-quarter view. Everything's straight, this character line running down the car. As mentioned, this car wears all of its factory original paint. Original quality is best. It means everything is structurally intact. There's no surprises. That door panel again looks beautiful. I love this. Look at this lovely wood trim going around both of the seats there. Beautiful trim there behind the front seats. It's that kind of touch that makes this an ultra luxury sedan. This Audi is also equipped with the driver assist package. You get blind spot monitoring, heads-up display. You get a top view camera. Beautiful. Oh, and you also get Audi's adaptive cruise control as well, which is really fantastic for a commute, stop and go traffic. Everything here is beautiful. The wood, this design with the character line that runs over on top of the dashboard. All of the gauges are clear and clean. All of the buttons are clean. There's no delamination, there's no staining. The leather on the steering wheel is beautiful. And of course, it's always a pleasant surprise to the eye, that Alcantara headliner, which continues up the A-pillar. If you've been shopping for a premium Audi sports sedan, this deserves to be on your list. Low miles, great ownership, all service up to date, 90% tires and brakes. Get in and drive it across the country. Learn more on the web at alphacars.com, or visit us or give us a call at 978-263-9000.